In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to play the C major scale. We're going to be looking at what notes to play and which fingers to use. First of all, let's find our C note. Look for a group of 2 black notes. C is to the left of the first black note. The notes that we will be playing in this scale are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and finally C again. To play the piano, we need to know our finger numbers. Our thumb is number 1, next finger is number 2, middle finger is number 3, followed by number 4, and finally your pinky is number 5. Let's start by putting finger 1 on C, finger 2 on D, and finger 3 on E. Let's play this bit together. I'll count you in after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E. Now let's go on to the next part of this scale. We're going to put our thumb underneath onto the F note, and we're going to play these 5 notes using finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, and finger 5. Let's play the whole scale together, starting at C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now let's try it together. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try playing this scale going back down. We're going to use the same finger numbers that we use going up. So we'll start with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we put our third finger over. 3, 2, 1. Let me show you that all together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's try that. I'll count you into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try doing the whole scale from the bottom to the top and back again. This is what it should sound like. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Try that with me. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. C,